Hello friends, welcome back. In this video we are going to complete our read write operation with external storage. In last video we have done our runtime permission. Okay, so with above marshmallow and upper version we need to confirm the permission is granted or not. If it is not granted, by default it will be not granted, so we need to request runtime programmatically, and if user allow, then only our code will work. Okay, so we have done check runtime permission in last video. In this video we will complete our write and read operation on external storage. So we have edit text and two buttons. So first of all I am going to write on the external storage. So inside our button write external storage click event, we need to write whatever message typed by the user. So here first of all I will get the message from our edit text. So here we get the message from edit text. Next, on the external storage I want to create directory with my app name. Just like other application, I want to create directory with app name on external storage. Okay, so let me write the code. First of all, you can see environment dot get external storage directory. This is the method environment dot get external storage directory. It will return you the path of external storage. Okay, so here I create the file instance here, which is representing the external storage location, and inside this external storage location I want to create directory. For that you can write the file equal to new file, and inside the file class constructor we can pass two parameters. You can see parent comma child. So parent will be our the file which is the which representing the location of our external storage, and comma child, that is a subdirectory which I want to create. So it will be the name of our application. So here I will pass get string r.string.appname. Okay, so we have our the file object is ready, and with this file object I will confirm if it is exist or not exist. If it is not exist, then I want to create the directory. So I have not operator before this condition, and inside this condition I will type the file dot mkdir, which will create the directory and return boolean value. So if there is no problem, it will return true, and accordingly our directory created successfully. So first time whenever I click on the button, first time I start the application and write something, it will create the directory first time. Okay, so we have checked the condition if it is exist or not exist. Okay, so first time it will make directory, second time there is no need to create directory again. So in else part you can write something directory not created. There is some problem in creating directory. If permission is not granted, obviously this code will not work. So we need to return in the else part, because we cannot continue our code without directory. So this is the code which will create directory on external storage. And next we can write file inside our app directory. For that we can continue the code. You can see the file object representing our app directory, and inside this app directory I want to create a file. So again I will use the file class constructor. The file is a parent, and inside this file I want to create one file. So what is the name of the file? That I will create a constant here. You can see my file .txt, something file name I have given, and this file will get created here. And next we will use file output stream class. It is available with the Java package. Okay, and output stream that we can use for writing operation. New file output stream, and inside this new file output stream constructor you can pass file class object. So that is the file, it is representing our file. Okay, so here it will suggest you for try catch block. So let's have try catch block here, and next we can write fos dot write method. Okay, it will there is three method suggestion you can see, and different parameters we have. So we are continue with byte array. So we will convert our string message to bytes. So for that we can write message. You can see here we have message string object. So message object dot get bytes method will return byte array, and next it will suggest you for one more catch block. So just have one more catch block, and finally we can close the file. So this is how we have done with our write operation on the external storage. And next we will have toast. It will confirm file return success. So guys, you can see we have completed the code of writing on external storage. Okay, you can write any kind of file. Currently we have simple coding with text file, but you can write audio file, image file, or PDF, or any kind of file you can manage with this file output stream. Okay, so this is simple procedure. Let me run and check the output whether it is working or not. So guys, here you can see our application run successfully, and if I type something, hello Android external storage, and click on the right external button, you can see toast directory not created. Okay, so the reason behind directory not created is with API 29 we have some changes in writing external storage. You can see inside our manifest file we need to mention use legacy external storage true. Some property we need to set here in application tag. So let me write use legacy. Okay, request legacy external storage true property we need with API 29. Okay, so with this property, let me run and check the output again. So guys, here is the output again. Let me write some message. Hello Android external storage, and click on the right external button, and you can see directory created message we have, and file return success message also we have. So file return successfully, and you can also check with your Android Studio device file explorer tab. Here you can search for the SD card. You can see SD card is there, and inside this SD card we have the folder with our app name. You can see our app name is inside our resource values and strings XML external storage app. So folder we have, inside this folder my file.txt, and if I double click it is open with our Android Studio. Okay, you can also check this file with your file explorer inside our real app, real device. Okay, so we have successfully completed the write operation. Similarly, you can write the code for read external storage. So let me write the code in read external button click event. So first of all we need to get the path of our application directory, which code we already have inside our right external button click. Okay, so you can cut this code and create separate method. Okay, it will help you to reuse the code. So here I'm going to have file the file equal to create app directory. Okay, so we create one we create one method, and this method will help you to return the app specific directory. So you can see here I'm going to return the file app specific directory. Okay, so that code you can reuse with your read external storage as well. So file the file equal to create app directory. It will return the app specific path, and inside this app specific path we need to represent the file as well, which I want to read. And next I will have file input stream instance. It will help you to read file from the internal storage, and here I will pass the file instance. Next we need try catch block. Here it will suggest you surround with try catch, and fis.read method will help you to read the data, which will be in byte because it is a part of byte stream, file input stream. So byte array we need to create here. So you can see byte array we created, and the size you can pass fis.available. This method will return the number of bytes remain to read, and we need one more catch block. So you can see one more catch block we have added, and finally we can close the file. So we have read the data from our file and it is available in byte array. We need to cast our byte array with string. So there is a constructor with string class which can convert the byte array to string. So we pass byte array to string constructor, and the message we have ready, which I can display with our edit text. So you can see we display message with our edit text. So let's run and check this output. Read external storage. It will read the data from our external storage. So guys, here is the output. You can see our application runs successfully, and if I click on read external, it will read the text file we have on the external storage. So guys, I hope you understand the external storage read write operation. We have done this code, and in next video I will show you the changes with API 30, okay, on external storage, what permission we require for external storage on read write operation. So that we will discuss in next video. So guys, catch you soon in next video. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Thank you guys. Thank you so much.